Hi everyone, my name's Samantha Keith. My current field placement is at Evolution Counseling, which is now where I work. I started there in the end of August for our field placement, and they had offered me a position the end of October that I had accepted, and then I began working there in November. So my official title, I'm a float counselor, but the programs I work in are ACT 360, which is truancy and attendance counseling, FACE IT, which is the crisis prevention program. I'm part of like an on-call rotation that responds to crisis calls when needed. Um, and then I recently just got trained and started seeing clients in the Triple P program, which is a positive parenting program. So I'm now a counselor in that program. So I wear many hats in my job, which is both fun and kind of stressful, switching between three kind of vastly different programs that all have like that counseling foundation, but very different approaches sometimes. Um, what I want to get out of this course is really just learning more about trauma in general. I've always had an interest in trauma, and that's kind of what led me to Widener. The fact that they had a trauma certificate and that their program really was like kind of trauma based and focused a lot around that was what drew me in and had me choose Widener. And I think trauma is just really relevant to like the social work field, the mental health field. I work with people that most of them have significant trauma, and a lot of them don't even really understand it themselves. So, like, understanding trauma more personally would kind of help me to walk other people through it. And I think trauma is always going to be relevant in any mental health field, and just understanding it, I think, is crucial to helping the most people. Um, so 3 ways I plan to take care of myself this semester. Self-care is not a thing that I'm super great, but I'm setting goals for myself. So 3 would be to spend more quality time with my family, which is kind of hard with the schedule I work. More date nights with my boyfriend, and then it's kind of silly, but I try to keep a standing nail appointment once every month, which is just like me time. So those are the 3 ways that I'm gonna try and take care of myself this semester, but I look forward to meeting everyone and working with you all. Thanks.